What's a little damsel like you wandering the streets at night? Didn't your mommy teach you that it's dangerous to walk all alone at night? A big bad monster can come get you, you know? What's wrong? Am I a little taller than you expected? I tend to get that a lot. After all, it's not often you see a 7-foot-tall lady jumping on someone's rooftops. Well, isn't that obvious, dear? I did just see come out of the bank. Quite a large one at that. A little kitty told me that there are quite a few valuable gems being stored there. Well, sure. If I could get some info out of you, that would be lovely. But I'm sure you have some nice things in those larger coat pockets of yours. Though I will say, I think you'd look a lot better without it. Maybe you could lose the dress too. As much as I love that professional look on you, I'd prefer to see a little more of you. No? Is that a blush I see? What? Are you liking this attention? Are you forgetting the situation you're in? These claws of mine are quite sharp. One wrong move, and you'll learn that this kitty can be quite feisty. Now that's a proper look of fear. I must say, it suits you, honey. This kitty just loves the way you shake as your eyes start between mine and my claws. You know, I could have gone after any employee at that bank. The managers and the big boss are sure to have some more cash in the pockets. Why did I choose an attendant like you? I'm sure that question is burning in your mind right now. 'Cause I think you're pretty, little mouse. I could see your entire body shudder, cutie. It's obvious you find me attractive. I'm not complaining, though, because I find you to be pretty as well. Why? Well, there's something about you. Your pure honesty. Despite working at a job like this, you still try to help others as much as you can. Your smile is bright enough to light up that dreary room. I even went in myself to see you up close. You didn't notice me. Well, I'm quite good at making sure my secret identity is well known. Though maybe I'll show you what it looked like behind the mask if you get to know me well enough. Maybe third date? That sounds appropriate, don't you think? Ah, I felt my heart skip a beat when your breath hitched like that. God, you're so cute. I can't get enough of you. Anyways, as I was saying, I stopped by the other day to see you up close. That was when I knew I had to have you. The way you obliviously went along with my flirting. Though, now that I have you pinned to a wall, it's quite hard to misunderstand my attentions now, isn't it, cutie? Especially when I press my body against yours like this. You're barely at chest level, honey. You really are like a little mouse. Aww. Why are you fidgeting like this? Am I making you uncomfortable? Or perhaps, are you enjoying this? The way you're trembling in my grasp is... I can't help but just... Your face is getting even redder. Your breathing is getting heavier. You're almost panting, cutie. Would you prefer it if I kissed you somewhere more intimate than your forehead? Well, maybe you should ask me nicely, and I might consider it. Oh my. That sounds a lot more like begging than asking. So desperate. Well, you did what I asked, so I guess a promise is a promise. Oh, why are you pouting? You even let out a little moan when I kissed you on the cheek. I thought I would be enough to satisfy you. The lips! How scandalous! Is the little mouse big in the big, scary cut to the bow hair right here in this alleyway? What if someone sees? My, you seem quite confident that no one will walk in on us. Well, maybe if you beg just a tiny bit more with that sweet voice, I might just... My! I didn't expect you to be this eager. Anything I want, you say? That's quite the bold statement. Are you sure you want to give someone like me that kind of power? What a resolute yes you're giving me. Well, I can't pass an offer like that. Come here, sweetie. Just as sweet as I imagined. How did that feel for you? Did it live up to your expectations? Good girl. That's what I like to hear. Now, why don't we continue? Every second my lips are apart from yours, it's like an eternity. How scandalous. A bank employee falling for a petty thief like me. What would your boss say if he saw you like this? Let me try something. Surprised? I've been working out just so I can leave cuties like you up while I kiss them. Still, though, I'm not done yet. You like that, little mouse? Your little legs are dangling in the air while I have my way with you. Whatever will you do? I don't know if I can live without this anymore. What do you say, little mouse? Would you like to be my little toy? I can take you home where you wouldn't have to worry about a thing ever again. The only thing you'd need to concern yourself is what I would do with you at the end of every day after a long day of work terrorizing the streets of New York. An honor and a privilege. That's my good girl. Though, as much as I would like to take you home now, if you vanished now, that might cause some concern for your place of employment. The last thing I need is for security to increase more than what's already there. They're quite heavy duty. Oh, don't give me that pout. Though it does suit you quite well. I promise, when I finish taking what I need from the bank's vaults, I'll come for you and claim the last and most valuable piece of treasure. Good girl. Now all you have to do is go home and go to work tomorrow like nothing happened. There you'll wait for me to come to you and take you to your new home. I'll see you soon, my sweet little mouse. I can't wait. Oh, and one more thing. Thanks for the wallet, cutie.